Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to post a video on Bigo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. There are actually two ways to do this. You can do this directly from your home page or from your profile. So I'm going to show you the first way, which is from the profile, and then we'll come back to home page and see how we can do it. Now I'll just have to click on the me icon at the bottom right corner, and then you find these two icons at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon, and then if you just scroll down right here, you find the post option. Click on the post option, or the video option rather. Right, so you find this edit post button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that, and now you can choose the video from your device and click on done at the bottom right corner, and then you can now add your caption before clicking on post at the top right corner. So that's the first way we can do this. So another way we can do it, like I said, is from the home page. So you just have to click on the video icon at the bottom of your screen from your home page. You can now see this pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and then you just have to choose the video, click on done at the bottom right corner, and then add your caption and click on post at the top right corner. So that's how you can post on Bigo Live. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. Let's give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.